You have to know what you are cutting. You have to know what is inside, what is behind, what is under. This is the dead man's handle. You're pressing the dead man's handle once, boom, checking no leakage here. Every time you change the electrode, you check it. Once, boom. Bam. Pressing the oxygen a little bit. Oxygen start to come. Make it hot. After that, make it cold. Start to melt, and you're gonna use that electrode. How are you gonna use it? Pressing it, you see? At the same time it goes down. Just don't pull the electrode. You have to melt the metal. It's up. Cold.
Dude, you can't use the phone here. Your phone has to be on the wall.
I know.
Put it up.
1 second.
There's the rule that the phone has to be on the wall. Come on, you can call her later.
Hi honey, I told you I'm at work. Well, I told you I cannot answer my phone when I'm working. How can you not understand me? Every time I try to work,
Put your phone on the wall.
I know.
And it's a nice tradition, if you have a birthday, you bring a cake. Happy birthday, man!
Thank you, man.
Today we are starting at station 6. We have the journal keeper. Everybody is getting ready. So at the moment we are using the helmets and divers boots. The heavy boots, each weighing about 4 kilos. And it keeps us down. We can walk on the bottom.
Vikings. Welcome to the North Pole.
Oh yeah. Hello, is someone?
Come on in.
Home?
I'm home. Come in. Close the door, please.
Hello. There is no door.
Then stand in the doorway. I don't want cold to get in.
Yes. Oh, you have a nice place here.
Yes. I win.
How about some pancakes?